Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the photo for marriage. And there'll be a logo, the word marriage here. You can click on to get to the page for the slogans, the logos and sayings for the print-on-demand business, which I'm recommending here. And I will be showing you how to do those right in front of your face. Three I'll do. Sayings, logos, and slogans for your print-on-demand business, right? So just showing you how easy it is. It's really basic. It's really simple. And I recommend Printful because they are the ones. They teach you what to do. They give you a free account, and they don't charge you like some of the others. And they want you to succeed. They train you as well. So which is really good. So they give you an opportunity. And this business is passive, and it's the one you want to get involved in. Do it part-time. Don't give up your job though. Just do it part-time. That's all you have to do. It's not that difficult, okay? It really isn't. I'm going to show you that's how, you know, and once you've, done everything, you just do things once. That's all you do, but with the slogans and logos and sayings, you come up with new ones. You check out you know, you you just come up with new ones all the time because that's the way it is. Because not all of them are going to sell, you see. So, but that's all right. This is and I'll show you what I use, what I'll be doing them in. Okay, this is the program here, PowerPoint. So in this font, so I'll put them here, and you'll see what they are, and I'll demonstrate it and right in front of you, live. So it'll be live. There'll be, because if I make any mistakes, they'll be in the video, so it's real. It's not being edited to make it look slick. No, I'm not going to do that to you. No, what you see is what you get. Okay, it's not going to be anything that's overdone. Okay, and if you like this video, right, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.